Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying Mumu version and system resources so syncing won't stall. Open Mumu settings and enable developer mode and ADB. This lets your computer communicate directly. Once done, place the game APK or client that matches the emulator build into a known folder and sign into the same account you'll use on the target device. This ensures data consistency. Make sure network access is stable, because intermittent connectivity causes sync conflicts and partial uploads. You'll now perform the central transfer. Use ADB push or Mumu's file manager to move save and config files into the emulator's user data path. If the game supports cloud saves, sign in and trigger an upload from the source, then download inside Mumu. This is usually safer than manual copy. Make sure to set correct file permissions and compare checksums so you don't import corrupted data. If file names differ, rename them carefully to match the emulator's expected schema. Finish by restarting Mumu and the app so the emulator indexes new files and the game loads the updated save. If the data doesn't appear, reauthorize the game account, clear the app cache inside Mumu, then retry the import. This resolves most state mismatches. As a troubleshooting tip, keep timestamped backups in at least 2 locations before any change. If anything goes wrong, you can restore the last known good state quickly and avoid permanent loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.